Okay, Alexis, first thing first, I'm going to name off the 6 functional groups. So your first group, Alexis, is the amino group. It looks like NH2. A part of the group are amines, and it acts like a base, and it tends to attract proteins. The next group is the carboxyl group. It acts as an acid, and it looks like R chain bonded with the C. On the bottom of the C is an OH, and then to the right side of the C is a double bond with oxygen. Your next group is a carbonyl group, and part of the group is aldehyde and ketones. The aldehyde is an R chain bonded with the carbon. On the bottom of the carbon is bonded with a hydrogen, and then on the right side of the carbon it's a double bond oxygen. And the ketones is just a C double bonded to an oxygen. Your next group is the hydroxyl group. The hydroxyl group is bonded with O and H, and it makes up alcohol. They're highly polar, makes compounds more soluble, and it is a weak acid. Your next group is phosphate. They have chemical energy, and it looks like an R chain bonded with an O, bonded with a P. On the bottom is an O negative. On the top is a double bond with oxygen, and on the right side is bonded with an oxygen that's negative. And then the next group is your sulfhydryls. They look like an R bonded with an SH, and they have thiols, and they provide protein structure. Okay, you got it? Now, Alexis, this is how you draw an amino group. You have your amino group, then you have your side chain, and then you have your carboxyl group. And this is what one looks like. NH2, CH2, and then C double bonded to oxygen and a bond to oxygen OH.